was living in the city in the year 2009. I was trying to find a way not to lose my lonely mind. The recession was upon me, my health was slipping away. I decided what I needed was more vegetables every day. I did not own land, and I was feeling out of luck. All I had to grow my own food was my old gray pickup truck. One, two, three, four. Truck farm, don't you think I need a truck farm? Truck farm, don't you think it's time to plant a truck farm? Truck farm, time to figure out how to build a truck farm. Truck farm, it's time to drill some holes in my pickup truck.
I hope I'm not drilling into the gas tank, huh?
She was only a half-ton pickup, not the strongest one around. I knew the soil would get too heavy when the rain came pouring down. So I went to see a lady who had a rainwater management system. She used it all over town, and it seemed like a pretty good system. Ooh, ooh.
That right there that I handed you is a root barrier, which is about a few millimeters thick, and it really just prevents the roots from ever penetrating your truck bed or your roof. Your roof's waterproof membrane in most applications. And here is the erosion blanket and the drainage mat, which will capture water. The cups will hold water and to maintain roof moisture, and then the holes will allow the excess water to run off your roof as it normally would, or run off your truck bed as it normally would. So there'll never be a significant amount of standing water on your roof or truck.
Do you get a lot of truck requests?
Once in a blue moon.